Justin here, coming at you with the Great Ohio Lodges, and I am here with Brandy, who is the GM of Burr Oak. Say hi, Brandy.
Hi, everybody.
And it's an exciting day because we are in the newly renovated cabins here at Burr Oak, and there's a lot of people who've been waiting for these cabins, so we're going to give you a tour. But first, Brandy, why don't you tell us a little bit about the renovation?
Sure. We had a complete interior renovation, floor to ceiling, this year at Burr Oak Lodge. We're going to start off here with our living room. We got new furniture, new flooring, along with new blinds, artwork as well too. Here in the kitchen, we have new appliances, new countertop, cabinets, furnishings as well too, new fixtures. We're gonna come down the hall here. This is the new renovated bathroom. New flooring in here as well too, new countertops, fixtures, new walk-in showers. We're gonna come back out. We're gonna head down the hall here. This will be the kids' bedroom. Inside here, we have 2 sets of bunk beds. Can easily accommodate 4 to 5 children in here as well. New flooring, new fixtures as well in here. And then here is the main bedroom. We have the queen bed along with new flooring, fixtures as well too, along with new artwork.
So there you have it with the cabin tour, and these things book quick, don't they?
Absolutely.
And you can check out the website, which is right here, and make sure you book your cabins early, get out of here. As you can see, it's a snow day outside, isn't it?
It is.
You're all excited about that.
Absolutely.
So we're gonna go play in the snow. I wanna thank Brandy for joining us today. She's the GM, so if you see her there, say hi to her. And I will catch up with you guys next time probably to get out in the snow and give you a snow day. Say bye, Brandy.
See you guys.
See you guys later.
Soon.